for fun, professional, and classy hosting. Please welcome the Master of Ceremony, the spontaneous host, Host Efren Olaso.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this amazing venue. Palakpakan niyo naman po ang bawat isa. Thank you so much for waiting. Before we start with the program, I'd like to say hi to all of our guests. Maraming salamat po for being with us tonight, celebrating a new milestone for Faith. Now, I just wanted to check kung ready ang lahat. Parinig po na malakas na palakpakan na may sigawan. Iba ang energy ng mga bisita ni Faith ngayong gabi. By the way, before I start, I'd like to say thank you po sa inyo lahat. Thank you for waiting. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your effort to be with us. Makakaasa po ba kaming lahat ng bisita makikita namin until the end of the program? Well. Ito ma. May nakausap ako kanina, nagmamadali na para makauwi na eh. I know some of you are busy for the last couple of days. Some of you might be having a work right after tonight or early morning tomorrow. But hopefully po, makasama namin kayo until around 9 p.m. tonight. Don't worry, we will make a very short program tonight para lahat po makauwi ng maayos and early after the celebration. Now, this celebration or tonight's celebration, we are gathered here to celebrate a new milestone for someone who is transitioning from a sweet little girl or childhood into a young womanhood. So lahat po kayo naging parte ng buhay ni Faith. And with that, we would like first to give our entrance or grand entrance to the proud family of our debutant. Handa na po ba kayong makita ang ating pamilya ng ating debutant ngayong gabi? They are also excited to join us. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the immediate family of our celebrator tonight. Starting with our first sibling, we have Miss Julian Rica May in Quiliano. Also joining us, we